Ready to unleash the power of printing from your Windows 11 PC? Let's get your printer connected in a snap. First, access the Settings menu, click or tap on the Start button, usually at the bottom left of your screen, then click Settings, which looks like a gear icon. Inside the Settings app, you'll find many options on the left sidebar. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. You should see a list of device categories. In the Bluetooth and Devices section, select Printers and Scanners. This will take you to a dedicated area for managing your printers. As you will notice, if there are no printers connected, this area will display that there are none connected yet. To add a printer, click the Add Printer button located at the top of the screen. Your computer will now start to search for printers. Your Windows 11 PC will now search for any printers connected to your network. This could take a few minutes depending on your network speed. Your computer will display a list of available printers. Select the printer you want to connect to from the list, and click the Add Device button. Windows may then start installing the driver for your printer. If prompted, follow any on-screen instructions. Often, this includes selecting your printer model and confirming the installation. The system downloads and installs the appropriate software for your printer. After the driver installation, Windows usually asks if you want to print a test page. This will confirm the printing process. If everything is successful, congratulations, your printer is added to your Windows 11. You can now print documents and photos seamlessly. And that's it. You're now ready to print. Enjoy.